Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome dear students to the platform of Quanta Publishers. This is lecture series Teach Yourself, and today we are going to discuss the next topic, which is about the vector product. In last lecture we have seen that vectors can be multiplied in two manners. One product is known as the scalar product, whereas the other product is known as the vector product. In scalar product, when the two vectors multiply with each other, the resultant will be a scalar quantity. That is why that product is known as the scalar product. But today we see that if the product of two vectors results in a vector quantity, then the product is called the vector product. Let us consider we have the two vectors, vector A and vector B, makes an angle theta with each other. Just like this, if we take here a vector A, this is a vector A, and here is a vector B, this is an angle theta between these two vectors. And now if we want to resolve vector B into its perpendicular component, draw a perpendicular line over here, and we will get the two components. One is B cos theta, and the second one here is B sin theta. And in scalar product, this B cos theta will play an important role, but in vector product the component B sin theta will play an important role. And in the mathematical equation you see over here, when there is a cross sign between the two vector quantities, vector A and B on the left hand side, then is equal to the magnitude of vector A, and second is the magnitude of vector B. And now we use the trigonometric ratio sin theta, which play an important role in the vector product. And you will see over here that there is a normal unit vector n, because in order to make the right hand side a vector quantity, we have to attach a normal unit vector over here. Then this equation will be balanced. Here you see that in the next diagram, if we multiply the vector A with the vector B, in this diagram you will see that if we multiply the vector A with the vector B, then A, it is written as A cross B. And by using a right hand rule, if we multiply this vector A with the vector B, another vector will generate that is represented by this normal unit vector along this direction.